hindi ka dapat matakot na maging iba sa mga previous councils. Kasi syempre, your own term is your own identity. So basically, kung may pagkakataon ka mag-win yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto mo, gawin mo lang.
Patience, because sa sobrang dami nangyayari, kailangan mo control yung sarili mo. Kailangan mo control yung student council. And it takes a lot of patience to be able to execute these events, these campaigns, and to talk to people.
How to do my best and to give back.
It's not, hindi ko kailangan hanapin yung weaknesses ko in myself, but it's something I find in other people.
Council was that of responsibility and time management.
You have to be flexible. It's not all the time that your event will go through with the plan and that you have enough resources for it.
Seeing things through with people that you love.
Is that you have to support, hindi lang ikaw yung nagtatrabaho at hindi lang events mo yung importante sa council, but you also have to give time and effort dun sa events ng ibang council members. In that way, mas nagiging strong yung council.
Number 1 and number 2, time management and responsibility. Time management because ang daming ginagawa plus academic, sports, since SAC nga ako. At the same time, responsibility kasi kahit maraming ginagawa, you always have to deliver.
That as a council member, you have to work hard and you have to have patience and work together as a whole council in order to fulfill what you have promised to the student body.
Be flexible and open to new experiences kasi hindi ka lang dapat limited to the responsibilities of your position.
That you don't change people, you just have to accept them and work with them to achieve full efficiency.
And to work not just for myself but more importantly for my batchmates. So I learned to value other people's opinions more and be more open and to really listen about what other people can say.
It would have to be sacrifice. The simple action of going out of your way to greet someone, you know, it makes them smile and it makes me smile.
You know, kung gusto mo, just do it. Kung hindi ibigay sa'yo, okay lang. Just do your part.
Siguro yun yung balancing work and play. Kasi syempre, as a council member, laging maraming meetings. Siya matagal na nag-stay sa school. And of course, aside from that, meron pang mga homework.
Maging rest back ng maraming tao. That people are always there up front and I'm just there to watch them.
Kasi syempre, kahit napakaraming times na stress kami, dyan pa rin yung mga pagkakataon na nag-dinner kami, nagpabonding, nag-videoke.
Ay ang Sayak Planset. Kasi doon kami nagsaya.
Because I met the people who matter to me and the people who I love.
It's definitely the first day we met kasi parang I wasn't really close to everyone and had my own hesitations na parang maka-close ko ba siya, maka-close ko ba yung taong ganyan.
Was that of yung bonding sessions namin and that maski nahihirapan kami, we always have this smile on our faces.
The time when Kapikonomia didn't go through, first time, and then it did a month after. Kasi syempre mas mahirap kasi hindi tumulak mahaba na sagot. Okay na yun!
Syempre yung friendship and the camaraderie that you have.
Ability to believe in people, to believe in the concept, in the, yung what's happening right now. Kasi minsan, I tend to panic a lot. And then when you believe talaga, when you believe sa mga capabilities ng people and dun sa value ng event, you will pull off everything that you're doing.
The council meetings and every time na nag-end ng mga council meetings, yung UP alma mater song. So, actually, doon ko natutunan kung paano alma mater song na yun.
Yung bondings and friendship that I gained, I never thought or imagined that I'll be friends with these people, but I did and I really enjoyed my council.
Is yung counselor, syempre, nandiyan yung mga work and all, pero hindi ko makalimutan yung mga bondings and lalo na yung plans.
Enjoyed hanging out with them and also the council bondings and the soon-to-come councilema.
The family that we have with the student council and the councilors. And the people, of course. Sobrang I've enjoyed my time with them.
Jersey Olympics when a lot of Sophie's came and played for your batch. And
So, alam kong malabo na sinasabi kong mag-a-adjust yung institution sa akin. Pero it did. And it made me feel welcome. It made me feel na you're welcome sa School of Economics.
Yung mga parties and small gatherings na meron kami. Kasi doon nakikita ko yung personalities ng mga fellow council members ko. Hindi lang work-related, pero also as a student and syempre as friends.
Milk tea never tastes so good without it.
Ekon, bilib ako.
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 Ekon, bilib ako. Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako. Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.
Ekon, bilib ako.